Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change your Twitter display language in iPhone. First step is go to mobile setting, scroll down and tap general, and then scroll down and tap language and region. Tap iPhone language to change your premium language, the first option, or other language to add a language. Go back. Tap iPhone language is the first option to change your primary language or other language to add a language. Go back to your device setting until you see a Twitter for iOS app. Scroll down, under preferred language tap language and select the language you would like to use. I'm using English UK.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.